Time to give out our last bobblehead of the year. His actions on the court helped his team to success and make him stand out as our MVP. This week's MVP is Noah Kahan from Houston Christian. For Houston Christian's Noah Kahan, it really started his sophomore year. Xavier Wheeler, now at Georgia, missed over half the year with an injury. Kahan was thrown into the fire and came out unscathed. He turned a great sophomore year into tremendous junior and senior years that culminated in Kahan becoming Houston Christian's all-time leading scorer. The Mustangs made the state final last year and were odds-on favorites to make it back this year had the pandemic not canceled the SPC tournament. The speedy guard is still unclear on where he'll play in college. For his amazing play, we're excited to present a bobblehead to Noah Kahan, who joins us now. Noah, what do you think of that bobblehead? Does it look like you?
I mean, y'all tell me. I think it does a little bit. The hair, a little nice, the nice eyes, nice nose. So it looked like me a little bit.
All right, what do you think your strengths are as point guard? Because clearly you're one of the best in the area.
In terms of offense, I think I can get into the paint easy, regardless of who's in front of me. Make that right read, jump over, finish over contact, pulling up one dribble, two dribbles, and then, you know, if I need to, knock down that three. So it's all around. I like to say I'm an all-around player. That's just my confidence speaking, but I really do believe that.
Noah, you're the all-time leading scorer at Houston Christian. That has to be a proud accomplishment, right?
I mean, you know, when you work that hard, there's nothing really that shows, you know, you've been working. So to have this accolade to show, like, hey, listen, I put in my time here since freshman year. I've been working sophomore year, junior year, senior year, and now I have that accomplishment. I'm looking forward to somebody beating that. So, you know, I hope, you know, the next coming up, Montana really coming in next year. You the next one, so I'm hoping you can beat that record.
All right, now you've won state twice, but you didn't get a chance to go back because the SPC shut down the playoffs. How much did that hurt not to be able to go back?
Yeah, you know, last year after that championship game, we really wanted to play St. Mark's again just to show that, you know, we have what it takes to compete and, you know, win again. But just because we didn't have a state championship game, it didn't take away from our season. You know, we went 25-2. We played every game like it was our last. And when we found out that there might not be a championship season, credit to the guys, they kept going. They kept fighting every day, going hard in practice, pretending that, you know, there's that slim chance. And it didn't work out, but, you know, I'm proud of my guys and I'm proud of the coaches, and I got love for everybody here. So we didn't get what we wanted, but I feel like it's not a bad thing.
Okay, Noah, do you have a college picked out yet? And if not, what are you looking for in a college?
In terms of do I have a college picked out, I think before April, you know, everybody will know where I'm going. But in terms of what I'm looking for, you know, up and down, speed, getting shots up, you know, and just love for the game and having a good camaraderie with my teammates and my coaches. So, you know, wherever that is, that's where I'm going to be.
All right, thanks for joining us, Noah, and good luck with your college decision.
Thank you. Appreciate you.